How to increase your internet speed on PC. Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial to boost your PC internet speed. So let's get started. So the thing we can do is we can start by restarting our Wi-Fi or our router. So you can disconnect your Wi-Fi here. Also restart your PC and also restart your Wi-Fi modem for 30 seconds to refresh the connection and try connecting once again. Apart from that, we can close background applications. We can go to Task Manager for that. So type in Task Manager, hit enter and find the specific application, that may be taking a lot of internet. So find it up and right click on it and you can select the option of end task for that specific application. And you can just go and disable the application from your PC and that should also work out. Or you can also update your drivers. So for that, you can go to Device Manager, hit enter on your device. And within our Device Manager, we can look out for outdated network adapter drivers. So find here network adapters and drop it down, expand it up, find your adapter, right click on it, select the option for update driver, and then you can search automatically for drivers or browse your computer for drivers, either of the method available, and make up the changes. Also, you can clear out your DNS cache to resolve the data. For that, you can open up a CMD as, administrator. Hit CMD once you hit Windows plus R, and there just type in ipconfig config / plus DNS. Type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter, and it will successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. This should help speed up the browsing by clearing out the outdated addresses. You can follow this process for that. And apart from that, you can adjust the PC network settings. So on your control panel, find your control panel. You can open it up. We can look out for network and sharing, network and internet. And within there, we can look out for network and sharing center. And we can change our adapter settings here. Find your adapter here. We can look out for change adapter settings. And we can basically right click on our internet connection that is connected. And then go to their properties. And we can go to configure. And go to advanced from here. And the configure. And basically disable a large send offload. So if you find that option of large send offload here, you can just go and disable that option, make it disable and click on OK and confirm it up. And that should also help on some networks issue. You can just go and follow up that process for that. And that's it. You can also use a good DNS. You can try Cloudflare or Google DNS for faster domain resolution, but usually these are probably some of the methods you can follow up. So you can check it out. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.